Moto Z2 Force Update Tracker, Update T-Mobile rolling out Android 8.0 Oreo OTA. The update boosts the T-Mobile Moto Z2 Force to build number X27 and includes all of the features you'd expect from the base Oreo update, such as unread badges, picture-in-picture mode, and much more. Also included is the December 1st Android security patch, which, among other fixes, protects against the KRACK Wi-Fi vulnerability. Welcome to the Moto Z2 Force Android Update Tracker page. This page contains information for all carriers and unlocked versions of the device, with a quick reference table for each and a log with links to further details. It will be regularly updated with the latest Moto Z2 Force update information, but we won't be covering general security patches in this list. We recommend you bookmark this page so you can stay up to date with the very latest updates. The Moto Z2 Force was released in July 2017 with Android Nougat. It's one of the most recent Moto flagships to arrive, is among the first to be updated to Android Oreo. Lenovo, Motorola has already confirmed that it will receive Android 8.0 across all carriers, along with a bunch of other Moto devices. Motorola was the first non-Google OEM to deploy the Nougat update in the US last year, delivering it to both the Moto Z and Moto Z Force within 88 days of the new software being released, and the international unlocked update rolled out a couple of days later. If you've received an update we've missed, hit the comments below or tip us. Your source